This is a 2022 Porsche GT3 with Touring package, or as most people call it, the Porsche GT3 Touring. This particular car is equipped with a visceral manual transmission, over $63,000 in options, and a $14,500 GMG exhaust. The best part is, this car has just over 1,700 miles and is selling with no reserve on Bring a Trailer from Cascio Motors. The Porsche GT3 Touring was priced the same as a standard GT3, but takes the GT3 package and replaces the big wing with an active spoiler for subtle styling with astounding performance per Porsche. The active spoiler automatically raises at 49 miles per hour, but can be manually raised as well. The Touring also features a color-coded front apron, tailgate grille, and Touring badges. The exterior on this car features $27,500 in options, starting with the $4,220 special color option chalk paint with Black Porsche script decals. The Black Touring package changes the trim badge and color, and the $3,890 carbon fiber roof. The wheels have been finished in satin black with the optional shark blue outer lip, which sits in front of the $10,110 Porsche Ceramic Composite Brakes with gloss black calipers chosen over the standard yellow. In front, this car is equipped with the $4,010 LED matrix design headlights in black, including Porsche Dynamic Lighting System Plus, along with factory-installed front protection film which extends all the way to the doors. The interior features $32,520 in options, in large part thanks to the $15,350 Exclusive Manufaktur two-tone leather interior, with an additional $5,730 with the extended option. The $5,900 lightweight carbon fiber full bucket seats are paired with shark blue seatbelts and easy access to the factory optioned fire extinguisher, and central to the $1,600 Bose surround sound system. Also included is the chrono package, along with the sport chrono stopwatch dial and central tachometer have been finished in white. Additional options include the sun visors and roof lining in race text, aluminum pedals and footrest, ambient lighting, and traffic sign recognition. Power comes from a naturally aspirated 4-liter flat 6, producing 502 horsepower and 346 pound-feet of torque, with a screaming top engine speed of 9,000 RPM, running through a GMG WCV Evo 992 GT3 long tube header exhaust, which is a direct replacement for the factory exhaust and retains the valve system. Listen to this. The Flat 6 is paired with a 6-speed GT Sport manual transmission, which is 37 pounds lighter than the standard PDK and sends power to the rear wheels. Weighing in at 3,126 pounds, the GT3 Touring achieves 0 to 60 in just 3.7 seconds with the manual transmission, which is rather impressive, but has a quarter-mile time in the 11s. But the 6-speed manual has a higher top speed than the PDK automatic at 199 miles per hour, which is a cool talking point. The GT3 Touring also features the extended 23.7-gallon fuel tank, so with the EPA ratings of 14 city, 18 highway, and 16 combined, we can estimate a 379.2-mile range, but your experience may vary.